I am Gecko, and today in this video I am gonna show you all how to play on multiple accounts in Animal Jam Classic without having to log out, log in, log out, log in, log out, log in all the time. But first of all, I want to congratulate those beautiful little hackers who beautifully filled my Jamogram box with those black jammers. Okay, now, the first step is to open your browser like Chrome, Firefox, Edge, Brave, whatever you just need to open your browser. Second step, search for Sandboxy Plus in the toolbar search. Be careful here, the link needs to be the same one I am showing to you. If it is not, you are on the wrong site. Third step, click on the download page. Scroll down and find the stable build section. Here you will see some files to download, and you must choose the file based on your system. You are probably using Windows 10 or 11, 64-bit. But if you are not sure about that, I will show you how to check your system configuration. So, open your File Explorer and right-click on this PC. Click on Properties, and here you can see your system configuration. These are the details we need: system type and edition. Mine is Windows 10, 64-bit. Now go back to the site, ignore those two, and select the program based on your system configuration. Fourth step, click to install. Now a window will open, and you will just need to follow my steps to install the program correctly. Here you need to select Personal, for private non-commercial use. I can't select it because I've installed this program before, so this action is irreversible. Here you just ignore by clicking Next. Click Next again. Unselect this one, and click Next again. Unselect this one, and click Next, and finish. Make sure all these options are unselected. Here we already have this sandbox created. I recommend renaming it to the name of the account you want to run in it. Right-click on it and select Rename. Now open Animal Jam Classic normally to check if any errors appear. If your JC shows a login world error, just re-enter your login information. I got into my main account, so now, to run another account, just right-click the JC shortcut and select the Run Sandbox option. Select the sandbox and click OK. Be careful here when the window opens. If Remember Me is selected in your unsandboxed.jc, the sandboxed instance will load the saved login, so you need to log out quickly, like this example here. Now I am logged into two different accounts, and from now on that sandbox will always open on my second account. And if you want to create another sandbox, just right-click the JC shortcut, choose the Run Sandbox option, and then select Run in a new sandbox. Rename it to the name of your other account, always select the standard sandbox, click Next, and then finish. Now, when you want to open your main account, just open a JClassic normally. When you want to open another account, right-click and select Run Sandbox. Don't try to open the sandbox program first and then run a sandbox from inside it, because that won't work. These sandboxes are not created only for Animal Jam Classic, they work for any program on your computer. I haven't tried it yet, but if you want to try it by yourself and at your own risk, you can do the same thing for Animal Jam. It can be very helpful in Animal Jam because it is much faster to switch accounts with this method instead of opening Animal Jam normally, logging out, and then waiting several seconds to log into another account. And for those who are having login issues, it can help you switch accounts without losing your access. Congratulations! Now you can close the video and use the program normally, but I am going to show you a tip that can be very useful and maybe help you. The tip is to create shortcuts that automatically open Animal Jam in the sandbox you created. You can also change the icon to whatever you want. Personalization, wow, the file extension just needs to be in ICO format. Let us begin. I recommend that you create a folder to save all your shortcuts. And yes, you can change the folder icon too. This part can be a little hard, but don't worry, just follow my steps. First, open Notepad and copy the command I left in the description. Now right-click on Sandboxy and click Properties. Copy this path and paste it here. Now, change this part to this another name. Do the same thing with Animal Jam Classic. So finally, you just need to enter the name of the sandbox you created. It needs to be the exact name of the sandbox, otherwise it won't work. To avoid mistakes, open Sandboxy, right-click on the sandbox you want, and click Rename. Now just copy it and paste it here. Done. Now copy the entire command, right-click on the desktop, go to New and then Shortcut. Paste the entire command here and click Next. If it shows you an error message, you made a mistake, so review your command. If you're seeing this page, it means you did everything correctly. Now type the name you want here, like the name of your account, click Finish, and try opening it. Done. Congrats. Now you can use the same command you created for other sandboxes, just copy it and change the box name. That was the video, hope you enjoy it, and subscribe to see more Animal Jam videos. Bye bye.